What up? So you're probably just like me and trying to figure out ways that you can make money online from the comfort of your own home. And that's been my number one priority. Number two, it's been a huge priority in my own life over the last few years so I can be with my kids and my family more, but also give them a life that I want to give them, and myself included. So the last couple of years, I have spent all of my time trying to figure out how I can make more money from home. And today I'm going to go over a few of the different ways that I have started to earn income online with minimal skill. I would say for all of them, no skill, just learning from the internet, reading on Reddit. Reddit has been a great source of great source of knowledge. But anyways, let's go over the few different ways that I make money online. So first up is YouTube. While I don't make a lot of money with YouTube, it took a really long time for me to actually start making money with YouTube. It is a grind, but I kind of enjoy it because I just really like talking to people and connecting and sharing my experience and sharing what I've learned. Like, I don't know, it gives me like a sense of pride and it makes me feel good about myself. But it also generates some money, which I have high hopes that it will generate more in the future as I continue to make videos, get better, build a community, give people valuable information and knowledge so that they trust me more because they know that I tried my best to be transparent with everything in my life. But ultimately, it has been this many years, because I can't remember if it's 2 or 3, and I haven't made a lot of money, but here recently it's starting to be a little bit more, right? Like it's dinner twice a month, right? I've been averaging probably about $100 a month with YouTube now, which is cool, man, because it's passive and it's something that I don't mind doing. I don't like editing, but pretty cool. Hope that it comes to be more. I hope one day that I can replace a lot of bills with my YouTube income. But next up, we got our web development business. So a lot of you guys that have been here probably know that I have been learning how to code, and my goal was to become a software engineer. I went to a coding boot camp. I did a lot of self-study. I did all kinds of different things trying to become a programmer. And I just think I started too late, and I started after the bubble was popping and it was a lot more difficult. And recently I kind of made the decision that the ROI on learning to code and getting a W-2 job is just too high for too little reward. So I have been more focused on building my business, which is selling websites to small businesses. And ultimately, man, the only thing that's helped me with that was I went to free code camp. I learned about HTML and CSS, and then I've studied SEO and marketing and stuff like that. But I didn't know anything a couple years ago. I've never done nothing like that. I'm an ex-con with a background in selling chemical propellants. And that's it, man. Some behavioral health after I turned my life around. But ultimately, I had no skills, like I didn't grow up on a computer, nothing like that. This was just, I wanted something different and I went after it. That is currently making $2,500 a month in passive income. But there is some expenses with that because I use Go High Level and I pay for their package, which is $300 a month. But I can have as many websites as I want, and I can also offer other services that aren't just a website and a CRM service for the clients. So it's been nice to be able to offer more with the websites that are really valuable to clients. But yeah, so I learned that from, HTML and CSS is really all I use for that. I was hard coding these websites for a while, which is a lot of work. But it was also for me for practice because I wanted to become a W-2 software developer. I no longer want to do that. My dreams are much bigger, and I would like to make the few ways that I'm making money now. I'd like that to be my full-time thing. And it's pretty close to being full-time. It's not super steady. My wife's no longer working because we just had a baby, which he's doing great. But that pays my rent and a little bit that pays my rent and my car payment just from that passively, or maybe you should call it semi-passively. But it all started from me just learning stuff online. Even with AI and everything going on, I still think it's a great business model because there's so many businesses out there that do not have websites, don't understand the importance of having a website. And yeah, they can use AI, but most of these people that are buying the websites from us are not interested in using AI. They are not technology savvy, and that's okay. So that's where you come in to offer the services and help them bridge that gap to get their business online and generating income in different ways. Next up, we have stock trading. So I have been investing for, 3 or 4 years. 2 years ago, I started messing with options and selling options and making money that way. And here more recently, because I've had a little more time, because I've been at home with the baby, I've been sleeping much, and I've been learning about trading options like heavily and like day trading and reading chart patterns. And it's been okay. I've made some money this month, which has been really nice. And I intend to make more money. I have some plays going on right now that could pay off pretty big. And if they do, then I know that my technical analysis is working pretty well, and I'm going to continue that. And even if they don't, I'm going to continue to learn and build more money that way. And it's actually a lot of fun. I actually enjoy it a lot. It's an adrenaline rush, to say the least. It's adrenaline rush, to say the least. Up and down, up and down. So I'm learning a lot about how that's emotional management, and you do got to have a little bit of capital, but I don't risk a whole lot of my portfolio. I don't have a whole lot of money to work with because I have a lot of bills and I'm the sole provider in my home. So I can't risk a whole lot, but I'm definitely learning. And after having a couple of days of like making $2,000 in one day from the stock market, it really opened my mind to like, people do this all the time. Why can't I? So we're digging more into that, but that is another form of income. Next up, I created a quick start guide for people to help them start their freelance web development business. I haven't made a lot of money from it, and it was more of a test run. I'm not selling it for a really high price. It was more of, just pack it full of information, pack it full of value, and sell it for a couple bucks. And I haven't made a lot of money from it, but it has generated some income, and it showed me that that's another thing. But I don't know. I struggle with this one just because, I give a lot of my information away for free on YouTube, and I'm like, I don't know. And most of the stuff that's in the book you can find for free on YouTube. So I kind of struggle with it, but I got a lot of good reviews for it. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Point is that is a way that you can make money online as well, right? If you have some kind of skill or some kind of information that doesn't have to be the best. It doesn't have to be, $1 million book, whatever it may be. Like, it just needs to be a step ahead of the people that are trying to break into whatever it is. Maybe you know how to run a landscaping business. Maybe you know how to do, some niche thing, but your knowledge is worth money, and you got to figure out how to get that knowledge out to other people and make money with that knowledge. That is another way that you can make money online. But those are just a few ways that I have taught myself for the last couple of years to make income online. None of them really have a cap, right? None of them, there's no like, oh, well, I'm making $80 an hour now, I'm topped out, right? And that's what's important to me. And they can all be done from anywhere. If I'm on vacation, if I'm in my living room, if I haven't left my house, if I'm sick, tired, whatever, you can do this stuff no matter what. And that's what's really important to me, and probably to you too, is that you're able to do this anywhere in the world and make good income. And while I'm in different stages of progress for each one of these, they have all proven to earn me revenue. And that is important to me. And they can you too. They can earn you revenue too. I'm probably going to get into a few videos in the future of my options and my stock trading. Actually, I know I am, because that's going to be my next video, is about that, because I want to talk more about that right now, because that is probably my biggest focus right now. I'm still doing the websites. That's still coming, but That's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. And none of these things, let me be clear, all of these things require hard work and effort. None of them are get rich quick. While some do hold the possibility of overnight explosion of wealth, it is unlikely. And I would not get into any of these things thinking that's what's going to happen. It's unlikely, but it is possible, which is why you like these things, which is why I like these things, is because what else has the possibility of overnight, like, oh, I just made $10,000, $20,000, $100,000. It can happen. It's unlikely, but it is a possibility. And working for yourself, man, just working for yourself in general, I don't know. It's a lot of work. It's very stressful, ups and downs all the time. But these are a few ways that I earn income online as was not a tech savvy person. I'm older. I have a checkered past. I didn't have much capital. Still don't have much capital. Just some grit and some willingness to try some new things, which is why the name of the channel has changed. This is no longer the Tech Dad. This is a Ray of Will. And that's because my life is a lot bigger than just coding, building websites. I'm doing a lot of different things, and I want to document that journey. So if you're still looking for nothing but freelancing stuff or nothing but coding stuff, I'm not going to be your guy, right? Like, we're still going to talk about it, but I want to focus more on making money online through different ways. Making money in general doesn't necessarily have to be online. That's just where my focus is right now. Appreciate you guys watching. Love y'all. Later.